Man, rough day. Between work, the gym, and chasing the kids around, all I wanted was to crash on the couch and relax. But of course, this couch can't get comfortable. My back's screaming, my neck's got its own opinion, and I'm over here twisting like a pretzel just trying to chill. And then it happened. Pulled my back. Yep, that's when I knew something had to change. But then this showed up. And just like that, it arrived. The FlexiSpot XS4. Clean lines, plush cushions, and packed with features I didn't even know I needed. Every angle looked better than the last. It's modern, sleek, and somehow still insanely cozy. Yeah. This couch isn't just furniture, it's a full-on experience.
Hey guys, welcome back to the O Family channel. Today we're showing you one of the coolest upgrades we've ever added to our living room.
What is it?
It's the FlexiSpot XS4 home theater massage sofa.
Say what?
I am super excited to open these boxes.
Yes!
It's got 4 large boxes here, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Okay.
Few moments later.
Alright guys, so after opening up the box and taking the sofa out, and this is what we're looking at, all the pieces. Okay, so it looks like this is for the back, and this is the bottom part, and there's a side piece right there. Here's the instruction, FlexiSpot, and here's some tools. Let's go and put it together. All right guys, so the first step is to connect the bottom piece together and using the metal piece with the screws. You have to connect those from top to bottom. So everything's connected. Let's go and flip it up. The next step is you gotta put the side piece here. Now we gotta put the back piece. All right, it's in. Now the side piece, I think it slides right in here. On the back side, here's some wires you guys have to connect. White to white. This one goes to the remote, and this is for the massager. And this one is the power adapter. There's a bottom piece right there. Okay, let me go ahead and take that out. There we go. It's supposed to connect to this one, like that. This one is for the remote. Okay, that should be everything. All right, here is the finish. It is very comfortable. There's a button here to extend your leg. Goes all the way back. Ooh, wow. Good Lord, take a nap here.
This zero gravity position lifts your legs up, helps with circulation, and it's perfect for someone like my mom.
It's almost like a bed. I don't know if you guys can see the remote control here. And this is the massager and heater too.
No way!
So let me go ahead and turn this on. Ooh. I feel the vibration here. On the back. Let me go ahead and put this all the way back. Oh yeah. As you can see right there, here's the power. And this is for the thigh. I'll feel more in the glute. Lumbar. And here's back. Oh yeah.
Nice.
And if you want to just sit on the back side, I do feel the nice vibration. And then also there's a mode. There's a medium, high, low, and then M2. M3 is simultaneously massaging your thigh, lumbar, and back. N1 setting. M2 is continuous. And here's the heating. And same thing for the heating. There's different setting. And finally, this is a timer, looks like. So 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and it turns off.
Nice, very nice.
Super comfy. And here is the button, goes forward and back for the seat. And here's a charger, USB type A, USB type C charger. And here's a little pocket to put your stuff in, maybe some magazine, newspaper, or iPad or phone. You could put it in there and charge it if you want. And there's also remote control on the other side.
Cool.
So there are remote control on both sides. And the same thing on this side. It has a control to extend your seat. And same thing, it's got a pocket on the side. There we are, it's pretty nice.
Putting it together was actually super easy, surprisingly quick, and it's way lighter than it looks. So if you ever need to move it around or even take it apart, no problem at all. Once it was all set up and I tested out the features, it was Mama O and the boys' turn. And man, they were hooked. The massage function had Mama O so relaxed. She didn't want to get up. It's so comfy they almost fell asleep. The whole family was seriously impressed with how it feels and all the cool features it comes with. Movie nights just got a major upgrade. And football Sundays? Yeah, they're on a whole new level now.
Huge thanks to FlexiSpot for sending us this amazing massage sofa. If you're looking to upgrade your home with comfort, function, and a little wow factor, this is the one. Check the link in the description or pinned comment to learn more and grab one for yourself. We're off to binge some movies in style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what your dream home theater setup look like. We hope you enjoyed this review and see you guys next time. Bye guys.